For the 2025 to 2026 school year, the UWF Aeronautics Enterprise team intends to compete in the American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics Design, Build, Fly competition. The specified design for this competition by the AIAA is a standard top-wing plane that tows a banner that is to be deployed mid-flight and then dropped. It also has to carry cargo, hockey pucks, and rubber ducks passengers. The aircraft will be a remote-controlled aircraft that has to fly 3 separate missions. 1, just completing the most flaps of the specified flight path in 5 minutes. And 2, after we make our first turn, we have to deploy the banner, complete the laps towing it, drop the banner, and then land, all in those 5 minutes. Our budget for this project, as last reported, was $2,500. $1,500 came from the departmental funding, and about $1,000 actually was left over from last year, which was nice. We have yet to receive any OUR, but we have applied for both cycles and are still waiting for an answer on the second round. The total anticipated cost of our aircraft, however, it'll cost about $900 for us to make it, which is and apply for the AAA membership fee. So that's good. We're under budget there. However, it'll be another $550 for the DBF registration fee, which is still okay. But if we do make it a competition, we'll need a good bit more money to travel to the competition. But if we have to cross that bridge, we will when we get there. The plane will be a typical bush plane style, like I said, top wing, tail dragger in an attempt to avoid nose tipping on landing and to have the aircraft control better, taking off and landing in safe fields, something that bush planes often run into. We chose the NACA 4412 airfoil due to its effective lift to drag ratio, and it has exceptional lift at certain angles of attack. We plan to construct the plane using ribbon spar because it's effective, lightweight, and easy to produce. It'll be a 5-foot-long wingspan plane, and for the fuselage, we had to account for not only carrying the plane's electronics, motors, and batteries, but also the cargo and passengers. And we intend to construct it out of 1/8-inch balsa wood, or something equivalent. Though it's not typical to have a plane that not only advertises with a banner like we might see at the beach, but also carries cargo and passengers, because there would not be much of a reason for a plane to load cargo and passengers into an aircraft that's going to return to the same airport. Its unconventional side could be beneficial because there's not a big market for advertising in the winter at the beach. So instead of having the aircraft just sit there, it could be used for scenic tours, discovery flights, stuff like that. So it's versatile.